So we are in the town of Malpica, Mexico, outside of Mazatlan. And this is one stop on our tour. And we're actually getting back on the bus. And there were no cars here when we came. And the streets were empty. And now it's very full, very crowded. Be right there.
Sure, no problem.
That's the guide. But these people are on my bus, so I got time. We stopped in around the corner here and watched the guy make tile. And then we went down to a bakery down the street there, about where that van is parked. But this is like the whole town, right? This street and a couple of offshoots. Here's a bakery. This isn't the one we went to. But this is, you know, the guide says this is what old Mexico looks like, real Mexico. So, from, wait, see the sign, Bienvenidos a Malpica. So from Malpica, Mexico, this is Garrett from Port Monkeys saying Port Monkeys out. See you in the next port. Bye.